Hey, I'm Shresh, and I'm a Nepali graphic designer. And today I'm going to show you a day of a life as a Nepali graphic designer. Let's go. The first thing I do is wake up at 6 a.m. I don't know why, it's just a habit, but at 6 a.m. I usually wake up. After I wake up, I usually do some yoga or meditation or some little workouts just to get the day started. So I always try to make the bed, mainly because it's supposed to be a stepping stone for the day. Like it keeps you moving or something. So yeah, I always try to make my bed. You should try it too. Then I usually go downstairs and eat breakfast. So right after breakfast, I usually get on my computer and just sit there. I'm just kidding. I usually get on here and try to do stuff like make designs or come up with new ideas or try to make a YouTube video. See. Then if that doesn't work, I usually start drawing like random stuff. Just nothing in general, but whatever comes in your mind. Usually I try to do that so my creative juices start flowing. Yeah, it's kind of fun. You should try it. Like, it's gonna help you guys out. Just draw something random and be like, oh, it's kind of cool. Then my other hobby is taking pictures. So I take pictures and edit them. I try to make it look real as possible, but sometimes I try to have fun with it and enjoy the process of the work. It feels great, in my opinion. If you haven't took pictures or, done photography, just try it out. It's really fun. Something you're not gonna regret. And it's gonna help you along your future too. Like, photography is everywhere anyways, so. Then after that, I usually talk to my friends, chit chat. And after all of that, I usually go eat dinner. It's mainly a salad, 90% of the time, but I make the best salad, so yeah, it's always a salad, 90% of the time. Or rice, like, I'm Nepali, so you can't go wrong with rice. And after all of that, I try to plan things for tomorrow. Then I usually watch some TV shows, then I go to sleep. Then the cycle repeats. So that's it, a day of a life as a Nepali graphic designer. So please subscribe to the channel and I'll have more content next week, hopefully. So this is Shresh and I guess I'm out.